This is a absolutely gorgeous cropped little blazer. It's actually not supposed to close. It's got buttons on both sides, but no buttonholes. It has got a velvet lapel and these beautiful sheer sleeves with, again, the velvet detailing around the cuffs as well as the lapel. And these little buttons are jeweled and it's so cute. And I just love how this shows off my tattoo. Looks great with a pair of jeans. And as you can see, I could do a little jig in it. And that is very important for me and all my clothing. This second little blazer blouse that I went ahead and styled tucked into my jeans is so gorgeous. It's this baby pink color with white piping and these gorgeous gold brass and pearl buttons, and I'm obsessed with it. Here is it open because it is equally as cute as an open top, sort of just like buttoned at the very top. You can see it has these little slits in the sides of the blazer where the stitching is, and I just absolutely love it. I think this is so chic. Speaking of chic, I look like one of the Desperate Housewives in this beautiful puff sleeve leopard print blouse. This was so gorgeous and in my opinion just so summery. It's got these beautiful scrunched sleeves with sort of a balloon shape and then a high neckline, but it's a really nice material. It's really light and airy and I cannot wait to wear this all summer long, especially because it doesn't stick to my arms. I really have a problem with that in the summer when it gets really muggy. So this is going to be a nice addition to my summer wardrobe. I am a big fan of leopard print. In my opinion, it is a timeless print. This I thought was so fun and it actually fit around my body and could tie pretty securely. So I figured I would style this little scarf as a little tube top scarf blouse type thing, and the print and the colors to me just screamed Gucci. I don't know, I really loved it. I found this for $4.99 in a really expensive thrift store. It was definitely a find for me. Along with this cute little sort of like a negligee top. It is a little pancake boob, I will not lie. I have not figured out what undergarment I can wear this with that it won't look like poopy garbage. I'm thinking something lacy underneath that can peek out and not look sloppy. But I loved the predominantly lace bottom, making this sort of a cropped top, and you can see I'm a little uncomfortable in it, but definitely with a lace bralette or something underneath, that would look fierce. This blazer, I'm getting rid of my other leopard print blazer because this is so much better. I mean, look at the structure to that shoulder. Oh my god, the shoulder pads in this are excellent. They are the perfect size and shape. The integrity of them is so good. And let's be real, this has velvet leopard print buttons with a gold trim, and the sleeves have the velvet leopard print. The collar is leopard print and it's velvet. I mean, I can't say anything more because that's all this blazer is, but it is gorgeous. This one is definitely more of a fall piece, but I saw it and I could not leave it behind. It is this tweed floral blazer with these gorgeous, like, deep purple shades and greens. It has some, like, raspberry tones in it on this, like, nice gray tweed and these purple jeweled buttons. This is fantastic. And this is the find of the century, you guys. This is a DKNY made in Korea. This is your captain speaking. Like, come on. This is so gorgeous. I love the gold accents, like the buttons that go down the back and the front and the sleeve and the gold trim. Oh my god. And the cutouts in the back and the sides are just so glamorous. This looks so good on. Again, the shoulder has a little bit of that puff detail right at the top there, and the lapels on this are so structured and nice. And the pockets, I believe the pockets are actually fake on this, so that loses some points, but the overall integrity is there. This is a lot of blazers for a summer video, I know, and this one is also a fur blazer. I'm not sure how I feel about that little bunny tail button on the front. It's not actually a bunny tail. I'm actually not sure what fur this is, and again, I only ever purchase vintage fur or secondhand fur, because again, don't want to be the reason that an animal is skinned. I'm sorry if that's really graphic, but I have no problem buying it vintage. I love the circular sort of half moon cuffs on this that come, and I love the chocolate brown color. Obviously, this is such a gorgeous color, such a gorgeous fur. I love the fur lapel. Definitely, again, a fall piece, but, you know, whatever. This is my summer uniform. A pair of jeans, an open blue and white striped shirt. I love the little Ralph Lauren polo logo on this. This was in the men's section, obviously. This material is so soft. It feels like it's thicker than silk, but it's just so buttery and soft on my skin. You can see I am really feeling it, and myself right here. I think this is so gorgeous, so casual, so beautiful, and very trendy right now. I know these sort of long blue and white button-ups sort of drift in and out of style, but they are sort of a timeless piece. You can wear them tucked in like I am now, or you can wear it like I had it, sort of open or closed, obviously, or tied up at the waist if you don't want to tuck it in. I absolutely love this, and I will be wearing this all summer long, and all fall, and all spring, and all winter. So, I mean, this is all I'm going to be wearing forever now. I am a big fan of a men's dad Hawaiian shirt. I have a vast collection of these. I love them. I could share them with my boyfriend or my best friend. I absolutely love these. They're oversized. They're always made of silk for some reason. Like, dads know the luxury material. This one is gorgeous. It's got a beige background with these such beautiful, vibrant floral botanicals with this beautiful green palm leaf. I am obsessed with this shirt. This is so gorgeous. And again, the silk is just so nice against my skin and perfect for the summer weather, especially here in Michigan, where it is a wet heat, you guys. It is disgusting. But this makes it a little more bearable. Oh my god, we've got more blazers. I am so sorry. This is a linen blazer with a floral print to it. I really liked this. I thought it was super unique with the brown on floral. Usually you don't see brown as the base for a floral print jacket, but I again really just thought this was so cute. And then, you guys know, I love a good 80s realness, okay? And I loved it as this little tiny mini blazer dress. Yes, I do have booty shorts on underneath, and I've belted it with one of my vintage 80s belts just to, you know, kind of show you what we're working with here. It's got real pockets. I absolutely love the silhouette of this. I think this is so gorgeous, and it's almost metallic, like it's used kind of a metallic-y type of thread, and it's got these shiny black buttons. It is so gorgeous and oversized and long and beautiful, and just look at those vibrant colors. I mean, come on. This is actually really nice for summer because it's not a lined blazer. It's not structured. It's nice and loose and flowy, so I can style it like a dress like I am here and wear it on a night out during the summertime, or I can pair it with a pair of shorts and a tank top, kind of like I have here, but you can't really tell that I have shorts and a tank top on underneath, but it works either way. Okay, this was inspired by Thrifters Anonymous, who are obsessed with muumuus, caftans, and all things leisurely luxurious. And again, I styled it with that belt. I'm not sure if I would style it with this particular belt to wear out, but again, this is something that I can wear around the house, just lounging around, or I would actually wear this out. I think it gives such a nice silhouette with the belt. I mean, just look at how those arms look. I mean, it's just a gorgeous shape, gorgeous draping, a gorgeous, very 90s pattern. This is obscenely 90s. I feel like my parents had this wallpaper in their bedroom in the 90s. Like, they still kind of have a 90s wallpaper in their bedroom. We're working on it. But this is so gorgeous and colorful. And it leads me right into this beautiful Syrian dress. This was made in Syria. It's so gorgeous. I love this. It's like, I mean, it's just beautiful. It looks very high-end to me. This looks very runway, very chic, very fall-winter. I'm so sorry. I know this was supposed to be a summer haul, but, like, your girl cannot help it. Like, I literally can't. This is so gorgeous. Look at it. If you saw this in store, you would buy it too. It looks so good. The pattern's gorgeous. I love the sort of distressing of it. It's just so pretty. I don't know. I love it. And it fits me so incredibly well, and it just hugs in all the right places, and it's just perfect. Next, we have this beautiful pattern skirt. Again, very vintage, very pretty. I really like this piece, and I've styled it here with this sort of tank top, sports bra thing that I have on that I'm wearing throughout this entire video. This skirt is actually a skirt. Can you believe it? We've got shorts on underneath. It's perfect. For some reason, they have a trim that matches the pattern of the skirt, but you guys know I love these little tennis skirts. This one I'm fairly sure is an actual uniform skirt for like a child. However, it does fit me, so I bought it. And the colors are really unique. It's like purple and orange, which I thought was really fun, and I'm not actually sure what school that's for, but hey, it's cute. I've got another pleated skirt. This is actually the back, which is just a regular pleated skirt, and then the front is kind of more fun because it's like this sort of wrap skirt, almost Scottish inspired type beat. I love this. It's gray. It's got a little bit of that very clear 80s, 90s teal running through it, as well as just white and gray sort of plaid prints to it, which I really like. It's kind of reversible. You can wear it backwards or forwards, and it kind of works either way depending on the look that you want. And it's just really pretty, and it's a good basic for my wardrobe. Oh my God, I do declare. This is very southern. This is beautiful. I thought this would be so cute to wear on a picnic or something. I might shorten this. I am not sure, but I thought that the print was just so cute. I love the button front, which isn't a real button front, as you can see, because the waistband has no button. Like, the buttons aren't functional, but it is super cute. Next, I have another fall special. I'm really bad at summer videos, you guys. I hate summertime. I'm gonna be so honest with you. I hate the summertime. So this is a wool, full-length, plaid fringe skirt in beige and black and white, paired with that same belt. I mean, it's so beautiful. It's so classic. I love it. There's nothing else to say. I mean, come on. This is a nice little basic. So this is a longer length pleated skirt. I really like this. I think this is cute, obviously, as I think everything is cute because I thrifted all of it. But I loved the color. I have really been wanting to get some color in my wardrobe for the summertime, and I thought this would work really well for that. You know what? I'm not even going to say it. I'm not even going to say what season this is probably going to get, and I ended up wearing the most in, because it's not summer. And it's just this plaid, very ornate, very 90s, again, very like in an 80s, 90s mood when I went thrifting recently, but it's gorgeous and jewel toned, and I can't wait to wear it. Then I have these pants that I'm actually not sure if these are vintage or not, but they are a wide leg, or not a wide leg, but a straight leg, gray, blue, and white plaid pant. I definitely think these are more modern, just judging by the belt that they came with. I mean, it's in the exact same pattern. This was trendy, I think, in like 2018, 2019, so I assume that these are not vintage. The tag also doesn't look it looks sort of ambiguous. It's like, I don't even remember the brand name, but it was like it could be 80s, it could be from 2019, I'm not really sure. These were really fun. So I have been wanting to get a new pair of, I believe these are Houndstooth trousers, and I have been wanting them because all of my other ones are just a little bit too tight right now. And I am in physical therapy, so I'm working out twice a week, and I go on walks every single day. So I'm keeping my smaller pairs just in case those happen to fit in the near future. But I did want a pair that fit right now, and don't judge me for those panty lines, okay? I don't judge you for whatever you got going on. Please don't judge me. This, again, another blazer. I'm so sorry, but this is a denim blazer. Very Y2K. So early 2000s. This is killing me. This is like Britney Spears chic in the 2000s. I mean, look at the emblem on the breast pocket. Look at the gold buttons. Look at the denim on denim trend. Look at the second denim blazer I have. It's just, the stitching is all lighter color. It's all gorgeous. Which leads us into this very Y2K bag that I love. It's a shorter bag, which I'm not used to, but I'm trying to get used to. It's sort of Southwestern inspired with this giant silver buckle and sort of all of the buckles and bells and whistles, but I don't have a lot of black and silver in my wardrobe, so I wanted to include some. This little mini bag is so useless, but look how cute it is. Look at it. Look at how useless it is. It can barely fit my phone. It can fit my phone, but just barely. I could fit a wallet, a card, and a phone in here, but it's so cute. This is a nice little bag that I got because I can't afford Chanel. Because it kind of looks like a Chanel bag. Like, not a lot, but like a tiny bit. was $5.99. It had a really shitty mirror in it. And I liked the faux croc and this little brass embellishment and the brass chain details on the sleeve, on the strap. And this is a, not my first, but my second Ralph Lauren Houndstooth bag. This one, instead of being beige, black, and red, this is white, black, and red, so it's different than my other one. Don't at me. Don't come for me. The straps are also different, so I don't want to hear it. You're not my father. You're not my real dad, as Robbie D. Christie would say. Anyways, that is all I have for you guys today. I do hope you enjoyed today's video, even though it was way more simple and a little bit more chaotic and a little bit lazier than my usual content. I really just didn't have time to film like a nice new video for you guys. I'm so sorry. I should be back on track this week. That is why I was not here last Saturday. Again, I've just been quarantining and it's been so awful, and it's honestly so nice to be back home, even if I'm just doing this. But yeah, so I hope you have a great day or night, or whenever you are watching this. Have a great next... I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. It is so late at night. It is almost midnight. Stay well until next time, guys. Bye!